That was Private Fortunes. Thank you guys so much for playing.
Yeah, no problem.
Great set.
Thank you.
Yeah. How long have you guys been together?
Since about 2013, Chris and I played in some other bands before, but kind of as this unit, it's been I guess since about 2013.
Great. Great. And I forgot to ask, who are you? Can you please introduce yourselves to us?
What a great question. So my name's Jordan Weaver. I play guitar and vocals.
I'm Dave Erickson. I play drums.
I'm Chris Erickson. I play bass.
Any relation to the two of you?
A little bit.
A little bit.
Yeah, we're identical twins. It's hard to tell these days. We look a little different now, but yes.
I would buy fraternal, but the haircut,
Yeah,
and the glasses. Clearly, you have your own identity. No, I buy identity.
Do you guys go?
Just kidding.
Do you guys go to the same barber? I've never asked you that question.
I don't even know what part you go.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Oh, that was great. We're back. I'm Liz Taegel. This is CBO. You're watching Release the Sounds. You guys, thank you so much for that. Excellent
Thank you
set.
for having us. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Absolutely. It was great. I know that you played a lot today from In Hardwood Groves, your latest EP that's available.
On Bandcamp.
Yes, on Bandcamp and
Spotify.
Spotify.
And iTunes and Amazon Music and all that jazz, yeah.
Basically, and in hard copies too.
Hard
They
copies,
gave-
right?
I got one today. That was pretty nice. I'm gonna put that in the car. Rock out. And I know that you guys don't want to talk about your influences, musical influences.
There's just too many to list.
There are a lot.
It's
you
just
know?
like it's like my OkCupid profile. It's just all music influences.
You should just write too many to list. It would be a lot easier to read.
No, but that sounds too pretentious. So I need to list everyone out to be
Oh.
even more pretentious.
That's nice. And then you can't leave anyone out.
Exactly.
Yeah. It gets complicated, but I understand.
There you go.
So we won't talk about musical influences today, but let's talk about, is there anything that is not musical that influences you guys as a band? Like any activities, any personal stuff?
Well, my mom's
been an artist her whole life. She used to work at Trader Joe's and do all the artwork and signage there. My dad's always played guitar around the house, and I've just grown up in a situation where there's just always art and music around me. So I guess that's definitely influenced me wanting to do those things.
Out of fashion, all we built is burning to the ground. My mother was a woman, my father was a legend. I'm glad no one has seen you around. Blackboard! I can't get off. And no matter what you do, and no matter what you say, I feel it coursing in my veins like the venom of a spider. I can't stop. I can't stop. Blackboard! That's to hurt you if you ask, or maybe if you don't. Think you let me go after all this time, but I know you won't. Hey, 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 hey.
Guys, that was loud.
It happens. Definitely, yes.
Yeah.
That's our thing.
That's a good thing. That's a good thing. That was a great set. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having us.
Absolutely. Thanks for coming on in this, cold March weather into the studio.
Lousy smarch weather.
Lousy March weather. Oh man, but the set was great, and we heard your latest single, Peach.
Yes,
Is
yes.
the name of it. Yeah, great. It was great. Please tell me a little bit about it.
Well, we recorded it, and it's been released. It'll be out now. We recorded it at the Converse Robert Track Studio, which is the studio right on Lovejoy Wharf that Converse opened up, and they offer basically a day of studio time to local bands, and we were lucky enough to get the opportunity to go in and record with Dave Minahan who is in the neighborhoods, which is like super awesome, old school.
Nice.
Boston punk band, sort of first wave, and then he's also in the Replacements, and it was just a pleasure to play with him, and we're really happy with how it came out.